Zhejiang COOLDO Electromechanical Equipment Company Limited specializes in sales of metal melting furnaces, metal casting machines, metal heat treatment ovens, metal forming machines, metal analyzers, and automatic metal casting lines, such as jewelry casting lines, minting production lines in the metallurgical casting, foundry, and precious metal industries. Backed by rich experience and resources, we have earned the trust of a great many clients both at home and abroad, owning a sound reputation in this field. We not only offer machines, but also provide complete solutions and services in the metal industry. Our passion lies in helping clients achieve minimal investment and maximum return. We are committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. COOLDO is able to offer comprehensive solutions covering metal melting furnaces, metal casting, and metal heat treatment machinery. Turnkey solutions for different types of metal foundries, metal analysis equipment, as well as seeking long-term global agents to work together to create a better future. COOLDO acts in line with the spirit of large enterprises to build a brand, adhering to steady and long-term business development. We actively participate in major international industry exhibitions to showcase our latest advancements and connect with the global metalworking community. At the same time, with abundant human resources, strict production management, and a sound business philosophy, through accumulated experience and an unremitting pursuit of excellence, we welcome friends from all walks of life to visit for guidance and business negotiation.